What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Now on this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of April 10th, 2023. Let's get to it. First up, the catalyst. Now this week we'll get the latest inflation numbers, starting off with the March CPI data on Wednesday. On Thursday, the Bureau of Labor Statistics will give us the Producer Price Index data for March. And on Friday, we'll get the retail sales numbers from the U.S. Census Bureau, and we'll also get the consumer sentiment numbers from April. Let's go ahead and take a look at this week's earnings calendar. All right, so here's this week's earnings calendar. Not too much I like here besides the big banks reporting on Friday, along with United Health Group. Let's get started with the watch list. All right, so we're going to start things off with the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY, and here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now right now the SPY is sitting around $409, and in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $409, and if it can, I'm looking for every whole dollar amount to act as some sort of resistance. So that'll be 410, 411, 412, 413. But the strongest resistance that I see is going to be around $418. If we look left, starting back in May of 2022, 418 has been a very strong resistance level. We did break out right here in August of 2022, but when it formed this head and shoulder and broke right back under 418, we have not been able to get above it. All right. So on the bullish side, if it can hold 409, I'm looking for it to get tested several times with a very strong resistance around 418. Now on the bearish side, if the SPY cannot hold 409, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 403.50. If it can't hold that, 400. If it can't hold that, 395. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is United Health Group, a leading healthcare company based in the United States that offers a wide range of health insurance plans for individuals, families, and businesses. United Health Group provides coverage for medical, dental, vision, pharmacy, behavioral health, and other ancillary services. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have United Health Group, ticker symbol UNH, pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Friday, and right now the stock is sitting around $513. Now the reason that I'm watching this one is based on their earnings, it could run up to its resistance or it could fall down to a support. Either way would be a nice lotto play. Lotto play as in 0-day expiration contract. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at its support first. Now pay attention to this range here, this $15 area between 445 and 460. Going back to January of 2022, it has held quite a few times within this range. Even in the last 5 weeks, it has bounced off 460 once, twice, 3 times. Now on the resistance around $560, you can see it's tested quite a few times but has not been able to break above it. All right, so that's the reason that I'm interested, especially with it sitting around 513. Either way would be a nice play. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at it at the options calculator for the bullish scenario. Here's the ticker UNH, current price around $513, expected move all the way up to $560 with this Friday expiration. First contract that comes up, $44 with a possible $3,300 return, $1,500. All right, so pay attention to this. I'm not going to buy these contracts. I'm just going to watch and see what happens, and on Friday I'll make my determination what I want to do. All right, so keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is JP Chase, which offers a wide range of financial services to individual and institutional clients, including banking, investment banking, asset management, wealth management, and commercial banking services. The company operates through several business segments, including consumer and community banking, corporate and investment banking, commercial banking, and asset wealth management. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have JP Chase, ticker symbol JPM, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Friday, and right now the stock is sitting around $127.50. In order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $127.50, and if it can, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $131.50. If it gets above that, all the way up to around 137.50. Now the bearish scenario, if JP Morgan cannot hold 127.50, the first level I'm looking for to test is going to be around 124.75. If it can't hold that, all the way down to around $112. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Meta Platforms, a social media and technology company which owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Message. Meta's platforms have a combined user base of over 4 billion users. The company also develops and produces hardware products, including the Oculus virtual reality headset, and provides software development tools for virtual and augmented reality applications. Let's take a look at its chart. Alright, so here we have Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now we talked about this one last week based on the news and the hype around a possible TikTok ban and how Meta could possibly benefit from that. And it's been on a nice run since it's been in the news. Now with the stock sitting around $216, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold 216. And if it can, the first level I'm looking for to test is going to be around 224. If it gets above that, all the way up to around 236.50. All right. Now on the bearish side, if Meta cannot hold $216, the first level I'm looking for to test is going to be around 208. If it can't hold that, all the way down to around $200. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. All right, and the last one we're going to look at today is Tesla, the American electric vehicle and clean energy company headquartered in Palo Alto, California. Founded in 2003, the company has revolutionized the automotive industry by offering electric vehicles that have greater range and performance than many traditional gas-powered cars. Tesla is also a major player in clean energy by offering energy storage solutions for residential and commercial use, as well as solar panels and solar roofs that generate renewable energy. Let's go ahead and take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if this chart looks familiar, it's because it is. I haven't changed anything in over a month because Tesla's been pretty predictable. Now, with the stock sitting around 185, I will not play this until it comes down and tests around 176.50. If it doesn't and it runs up, I won't play it until it gets around 198.25. Now, if it rejects here, I'll play it to the downside, but if it breaks through, I'll play it all the way up to around $210.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. Check it out and bookmark it when you get a chance. Now here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.